China's new Type 076, the world's first 40,000-ton drone-focused carrier, is moving toward deployment much faster than anyone expected. After completing two sea trials only weeks apart, this next-generation ship appears designed to reshape future sea operations using advanced drones, electromagnetic catapults, and stealth aircraft. Today, we break down how this platform works, why it's significant, and what it reveals about the future of ocean-based technology and regional capability building. The Type 076 stands out because it isn't simply an amphibious vessel or a conventional aircraft platform. Instead, it blends advanced aviation features, high-tech drone integration, and large-scale transport capacity into one unified system. With an estimated full-load displacement exceeding 40,000 tons, it is considerably larger than the already impressive Type 075 ships currently in China's fleet. This additional size creates space for new technologies, more aircraft, and larger onboard support systems that enhance its operational flexibility. One of the most distinctive design elements is its dual-island layout. Instead of one centralized command tower, the Type 076 features two separated structures, one dedicated to ship navigation and the other specialized for flight operations. This design increases efficiency on the large flight deck and allows multiple activities to happen at once. On a ship meant to manage both drones and crewed aircraft, this separation becomes a major advantage, helping streamline activity across the deck while reducing the likelihood of bottlenecks. The electromagnetic catapult is another breakthrough feature. Unlike traditional systems that rely on mechanical force or ramp-based takeoff, the EM system accelerates aircraft more smoothly and efficiently. This is essential for launching drones and fixed-wing aircraft that require stable liftoff conditions. For drones in particular, the catapult eliminates the need for long runways and makes high-frequency launch cycles possible. Analysts believe this technology could allow the Type 076 to dispatch a wide range of next-generation aircraft, including stealth drones, early warning aircraft, and short runway platforms, with minimal preparation time. Finally, the recent sea trials highlight China's rapid progress. The first trial reportedly focused on propulsion, maneuvering, and basic onboard systems. Just 2 weeks later, the second trial was underway, indicating strong confidence in the ship's performance and a fast-track schedule that could bring the Type 076 into service sooner than initially projected. What truly defines the Type 076 is its role as a dedicated drone carrier. Until now, most large naval platforms around the world have relied primarily on crewed aircraft. However, the global shift toward unmanned aviation means new designs are emerging that place drones at the center of operations. The Type 076 is the first major vessel built explicitly with this focus in mind. One of the most discussed drones expected to operate from this ship is the GJ-11, a stealth unmanned aircraft with a flying wing design. It can perform long-range observation, target tracking, and precision-based missions without requiring onboard pilots. Launching such aircraft from a large ship represents a significant leap in flexibility, because drones can remain airborne for extended periods, relay complex sensor data, or perform tasks that usually require several different crewed aircraft. In addition to drones, the Type 076 is expected to host advanced crewed aircraft such as the J-35 stealth fighter and the KJ-600 early warning aircraft. Combining these with unmanned platforms creates a layered aviation ecosystem: stealth jets for sensitive tasks, drones for long-duration monitoring, and early warning aircraft for real-time situational awareness. This mix transforms the ship into a floating technology hub rather than a traditional carrier. Another important advantage is the electromagnetic catapult system. This technology can launch aircraft quickly and efficiently, reducing stress on airframes while allowing more frequent cycles. Drones, which are lighter and more compact, benefit significantly from this smooth acceleration. With the EM system, the Type 076 can support continuous drone operations, giving it near-constant visibility over distant areas. Helicopters and landing craft are also expected to operate from this ship, indicating its dual purpose: aviation support and surface transport. As a result, the Type 076 is not only an aircraft platform, but also a multi-function vessel supporting logistics, transportation, and coordination roles. Altogether, the drone integration, electromagnetic catapult, and mixed aviation group allow the Type 076 to perform a wider set of tasks than any amphibious platform before it, making it one of the most versatile ships China has ever developed. The rapid development of the Type 076 signals a broader transformation in how large nations approach maritime technology. Instead of relying solely on traditional crewed aircraft, the emphasis is shifting toward unmanned systems that bring new levels of efficiency, endurance, and adaptability. With this ship, China is demonstrating its commitment to that shift and introducing a model that could influence naval design worldwide. What makes the Type 076 especially interesting is the timing of its progress. The second sea trial came only 2 weeks after the first, a clear sign that China is accelerating the ship's testing cycle. Reports suggest the vessel could be ready for commissioning as early as next year, which would make it one of the fastest developed large platforms in recent Chinese naval history. When countries compress development schedules like this, it usually indicates strong confidence in the underlying technology and a clear strategic role waiting to be filled. Another notable point is how the ship fits into China's broader fleet evolution. China already has 3 full aircraft carriers, including the Fujian, which also uses electromagnetic catapults. By aligning the Type 076 with similar systems, China ensures compatibility across its aviation platforms, making training, maintenance, and operations more unified. This consistency helps reduce long-term costs and increases the efficiency of aircraft integration. China's development of this ship also occurs amid wider regional adjustments. Japan has strengthened defenses in its southwestern islands, while the United States maintains strong partnerships across the Pacific. These activities highlight a growing focus on technology, readiness, and maritime awareness throughout the region. In this environment, platforms capable of supporting advanced aircraft and long-duration observation, such as the Type 076, gain added importance. Ultimately, the Type 076 reflects a forward-looking approach to maritime capability. Its combination of drones, stealth aircraft, and electromagnetic technology demonstrates a shift toward more adaptable and data-driven ocean operations. Instead of focusing only on size or power, modern platforms now prioritize information advantage, efficiency, and integration with next-generation systems. The Type 076 embodies this new philosophy and offers a preview of how major fleets may evolve in the coming decades. China's Type 076 drone carrier represents a major step toward a new style of maritime technology built around drones, electromagnetic systems, and a hybrid aviation group. Its fast testing schedule shows how quickly China is moving to bring next-generation platforms into service. With its ability to support drones, stealth fighters, early warning aircraft, helicopters, and landing craft, the Type 076 functions as a versatile, multi-role platform. As nations invest more in advanced sea-based technology, ships like this one highlight how innovation is reshaping maritime operations and signaling the direction future ocean platforms are likely to take. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and scientific discoveries, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, you can visit our website, spaceinews.com. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.